everyone, it's me Sato again from Low Level Cosplay, and today we are back with a new part of the Vash Cosplay series, and in this part I'm gonna make his glasses. They are very easy to make and also they are very cheap. And if you don't want to miss any future videos for this cosplay like this, the code, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it helps me a lot and keeps this shining around. And without further ado, let's do it. So these are the glasses that I use. I bought them at the local party store nearby and I actually wanted to use both of them, but in the end I just only needed one. Because I wanted to cut the side pieces of the second one to the right length so it will fit the first one, but in the end I did it a little bit differently. Here I have drawn the shape for some guidance. And now I'm using some pliers to bend the side pieces. I actually wanted it to be a little bit tighter, but in the end I used the width of the pliers as my guidance. So now I'm pulling the rubber end off so I have a little bit more space for the last bend. And this is the final W shape. Luckily the wire goes all the way through the rubber earpiece, so I just had to push it a little bit further back to get my starting length back. So now I have an extra spare pair of glasses. Maybe I'm making a second one later for me, but I don't know yet. Now that everything is done, it's time for the beauty shot. So this was the tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion. And if you have any suggestions what I can make next or any improvements for this channel, write it in the comments down below and I will try my best. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And give this video a thumbs up. Maybe share it with your friends if they're interested for this cosplay series or any other cosplay videos that I have uploaded. And until then, I see you next time in the new video. Have a great day and I'm out.